Overcoming objections is one of the most important skills in sales, especially for beginners. Here's a simple 3-step process that makes it easier to handle objections confidently and professionally. Step 1. Acknowledge and empathize. When a customer raises an objection, your first response should be to show you're listening and understand their concern. Let's say a customer says, "This seems too expensive." Instead of jumping in with a defense, try responding with, "I completely understand. Budget is a big consideration when making decisions." This lets the customer know you respect their viewpoint. Step 2. Ask clarifying questions. Once you've acknowledged their concern, ask questions to get to the root of the objection. If the objection is about price, for example, you could say, "Can you tell me more about your budget expectations?" Or, "What are your main concerns with the price?" These questions open up the conversation and show you're genuinely interested in understanding their needs. Finally, step 3. Present a solution. Now that you understand their concern, offer a tailored solution that addresses it directly. For example, if their concern was the price, you could say, "We actually offer a payment plan to help with budgeting." Or, "Considering your needs, this product's durability could save you costs in the long run." This approach helps you show value and demonstrate that you're there to solve their problem, not just make a sale. So there you have it. 3 steps to overcoming objections: acknowledge and empathize, ask clarifying questions, and present a solution. Practice these, and you'll find handling objections gets much easier.